Hi, the SI meteorologist Paul Dorian here on Wednesday, April 11th. Well, today will be the coldest day of the week. We're right now in the middle of this cold air mass that'll continue to chill us for another 24 to 48 hours or so. But this cold air mass will move off the coast by the end of the week, and the weekend will produce a major league warm up here in the Mid-Atlantic region. In fact, we may be talking about the 80s for Sunday and Monday in a good part of the Mid-Atlantic, but we'll get to that in a few minutes. Right, for today, we have a strong north to northwest wind ushering cold air. Snow showers are quite likely from West Virginia mountains all the way up through the central Pennsylvania mountains into the higher elevations of interior New England. And there can be a couple of isolated rain showers along the I-95 corridor this afternoon into the early evening. Temperatures will struggle today in the big cities of D.C., Philly, and New York to get out of the low 50s, some 5 or 10 degrees below normal for this time of the year. But again, this is the worst of the cold air mass will be today, and by Friday we'll have rather pleasant conditions, and then a major league, a substantial warm-up by the end of the weekend. Well, let's take a look at the latest surface map, and we continue to have low pressure to our east and strong high pressure to our north and west, and the combination of the two just continue to provide a broad north to northwest flow of colder air into the Great Lakes region, into the Midwest, into the Northeast and Mid-Atlantic. And again, there are snow showers already breaking out in the higher elevations in interior sections of the Mid-Atlantic region, from West Virginia up across western and central Pennsylvania and upstate New York, and interior higher elevation places in New England. Well, let's take a close-up view of the northeastern quadrant of the country, and here are the isobars. Winds flow parallel to these lines, and again, there's just a broad north to northwest flow of air coming across the Great Lakes, and the latest radars are already picking up some echoes here, for example, in West Virginia, western Pennsylvania, and this is in the form of snow in most cases, some rain mixed in as well, but all the way up into interior upstate New York and New England. All this area can have some snow showers, especially over the next few hours. Now later on today there can be some rain showers making its way across the I-95 corridor. Nothing heavy, nothing long lasting, but there can be a shower at just about any time from mid-morning right through the early part of the evening. It'll stay cold today and mostly cloudy with a brisk north to northwest wind. Quite a chilly day, way below normal for this time of the year. Here's the IR composite satellite loop for the entire country right now, and here's the broad area of low pressure in the upper part of the atmosphere, and the spinning in the atmosphere continues here with clouds throughout the Mid-Atlantic region today and the Northeast. Lots of clear skies, however, behind that, and here's where that high pressure in south central Canada has really made itself felt with clear skies, and we will have more sunshine tomorrow, but then by Friday, quite a pleasant day as the high pressure moves from south central Canada on its way towards the east coast, and from the position at the east coast over the weekend, our winds will shift around to the southwest, and we will have a major league warm up here by Sunday, especially by Sunday and Monday as well. Temperatures could even reach the 80s in the Mid-Atlantic region on Sunday and Monday, and perhaps on Tuesday as well. Well, let's look at a couple of computer forecast maps. This is from last night's Zero-Z GFS run. This is the forecast for tomorrow morning, Thursday morning, and then we'll jump ahead 48 hours to Saturday morning and see what a difference 48 hours will make in terms of temperature. Well, by tomorrow morning, we're still under the control of that cold high pressure that is starting to move now. It's centered today right over south central Canada, and it's making a move to the southeast, headed for the east coast, the mid-Atlantic east coast. But still, tomorrow will still be a chilly day, still have northerly flow of air, not quite as cloudy and not quite as threatening in terms of showers tomorrow as compared to today, but it'll still be on the chilly side, still below normal, with most temperatures only reaching the 50s tomorrow afternoon. Now here we jump ahead 48 hours to Saturday morning and take a look at where that high is now. This is the same Canadian high that starts right here today, moves all the way to the North Carolina coast by the time Saturday morning rolls around, and that is crucial because that'll turn around our winds, and you can see a broad southwesterly flow of air here developing, and that'll usher in much milder air on Saturday and downright warm air by Sunday and Monday, perhaps again reaching 80 degrees or even surpassing 80 degrees in much of the mid-Atlantic. So today will be certainly the coldest day of the week, quite a nasty day with lots of clouds, lots of cold breeze, as well as a couple of showers and snow showers upstate. But all of this moves out of the picture by Friday. Is kind of a transition day with pleasant temperatures, then very warm by Sunday and Monday. Well, that's it for now for the SIweather.com. I'm the SI meteorologist, Paul Dorian.